Hi, I've got this aromatherapy bundle that you are absolutely going to love. Now, you're going to learn how to make your own natural cleaning products, your own balms, salves, relaxing blends, stimulating blends. You'll learn how to make personal inhalers, natural serums and deodorants and everything that you need to know when it comes to aromatherapy. You will learn in this bundle that I've put together for you. How to treat babies, children, how to clean your house chemical-free, how to make your own beauty products, and so on and so forth. But wait, the first thing you should be asking is, if I'm going to study an aromatherapy course, or aromatherapy courses for that matter, on the internet, the one question which I suggest you should be asking as well is, who is this person that's going to teach me? Is this person, this is my very first question, is the person qualified to teach me? Well, the answer is yes. My name is Mark Perren-Jones. I am a qualified aromatherapist. I'm also an acupuncturist, remedial massage therapist. I have taught literally over 100,000 people aromatherapy on the web. So I've got 30 years experience. I am a fully qualified aromatherapist and essential oil specialist. So I want to tell you that so that you know you're getting qualified information, because when it comes to essential oils, you really want to know that the information you're getting, the dilution rates, the safety issues, the contraindications are coming from a trained professional. So with that out of the way, I want to show you just some of the things that you're going to get in the course. Because as I say, I'm going to show you aromatherapy acupressure for both pain relief and well-being. What is that? That's where you're using a synergistic way of using essential oils with calming. I've been an acupuncturist for over 30 years, so I know these. For example, this point here, Heart 7, is very calming, great for insomnia. And just think. So what I teach you is to put a calming, like chamomile, German or Roman chamomile, lavender, calming essential oils on the calming point that has an energetic and synergistic effect. So you're going to learn all about that. Aromatherapy, acupressure, so you'll be able to use that for both emotional well-being, for whether it's to study, concentration, or for pain relief. I've also got a complete course on how to treat children and babies, which you absolutely need to know. And I give you my recommendations for children 5 years and under, the essential oils you should and should not use, and so on and so forth. But look, before we go any further, I want to show you a video from one of my courses on how to make your own 3-ingredient natural deodorant. So let me show you this. This will give you a taste of what you're about to learn. So I'm going to show you a few variations of how to make your own deodorant. So this one, the first one, is the easiest. It's just 3 ingredients and your essential oils. It's dead easy. I'm going to make it for you, and I mean, it literally takes you a few minutes. And this one you can store in the fridge because it'll be harder like that, and you use that. Or if you keep it out and it's a warm climate like it is here, then it'll be a bit more like a lotion. But I'll show you other workarounds as well. But anyway, let me show you how to make this. It smells amazing. Let's get into it. Okay, so it's really easy to do. So we've got bicarbonate of soda, okay, baking soda. So 2 tablespoons of that. All right. 1 and 2. Okay. Then we're going to use any sort of starch. You could use potato starch. You could use tapioca. You could use, well, I'm using cornstarch. Just going to wipe off that spoon there. But yeah, so any sort of starch like that. So, okay, we're going to 2 tablespoons of that. So I'm using cornstarch, as I say. Let's just flatten that off a bit there. 1. So let's say potato starch, arrowroot powder, tapioca powder, any of those. Okay, so now we've got that. Now, I'm just going to wipe up this spoon again. Alright, because we're going to put it into our coconut. I'll give that a wash. Alright. Okay, wash him up. Don't really want cornstarch in my coconut oil. So, of course, cold pressed, extra virgin coconut oil. 3 tablespoons of this. Okay, just try not to spill it all over here. 1, 2, and 3. Alrighty, let's get that out of the way so I don't spill that, make a huge mess here. Alright, so there we are. Now we're going to just stir it up. Okay, It's like a little cooking class. Oops, I better watch what I'm doing here. I was spilling it. Okay, so you can see it's getting this lovely consistency. Alright, look at that. This is a deodorant. Now I've got other options because of baking soda, for people with sensitive skin can have a problem with that. But let me just scrape this off here. So you put less baking soda in, but see how you get on. Okay, now I'm going to add about 5 drops. I'm going to use tea tree oil. I've got recommendations for your essential oils. I'm going to use 5 drops of tea tree. Come on, tea tree. Oh, there we go. Alright, whoops, sorry about that. I just nearly dropped the tea tree lid. Okay, mix him through. And then what I'm going to do, put it into a little container and pop him in the fridge. That's it. Look at that. There you are. That is, I'm going to put it in the container and I'll show you what it does in the fridge. It will harden and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so we're back. Now, by the way, I put this into a little tub like this and I've had it in the fridge. Now, you could always buy these off Amazon, your deodorant sticks, or repurpose one like that, you know, once it's finished, and then put it into here. No problems whatsoever. Or you can do what I've done. Put him into a little here. And look, there it is there. And so what I'll do, we'll pull it out, because what you can do, there we go. There's your deodorant. So what you can do, you can get your little cloth. Alright? Diddle-a-dit-dit. Diddle-a-dit-dit. And then you can keep him in a little tub. It smells amazing. It works brilliantly, by the way. And look, put him to bed. See? Snug as a bug in a rug. Put him in the fridge. Or if you've got a cold climate, you might be fine. Now, if it does start to melt in a warm climate, like it would here, then you can just like apply it like if it was in a lotion, you know, and that's no problems. If you are in a really hot climate where, and let's say you're going to go traveling, so this might, you know, if you're in a car where it's stinking hot, then it might, you know, go back to a complete oil. All right. So there's a workaround for that. So what you do exactly the same recipe, but you melt a tablespoon of beeswax and add that to it. All right. And then you just mix the beeswax through when you've got it there. Okay. And that will help it stay firmer when you're in really hot climates. Okay. So just a tablespoon of beeswax. You do the same recipe. Add a tablespoon of liquefied beeswax from your double boiler. Add that to it. And you've got your own fabulous little deodorant. Alright, so you see how easy that was. You make your own deodorant and it works brilliantly. It's absolutely fantastic and no more chemicals on your body when it comes to a deodorant. So you've got that. Now, I've got another course. So that course is all about essential oils and natural living. So you've got your acupressure aromatherapy courses for well-being, for pain relief. You've also got aromatherapy, one on just completely on using natural products, glue and sticker remover, wood furniture polish, floor cleaners, everything you need to know, because this is your family and your own health we're talking about. So instead of using chemicals throughout the whole house to clean, everything is natural, it is better, it is cheaper, and of course, it's for you, your pets, your family, your children. So removing all those chemicals, and I show you exactly, and it's so simple as you're about to find out. So there's that course. There's the one I say for essential oils from natural living, where you learn to make your own beauty products, pain relieving balms and salves, and I also touch on other different cleaning things for your house as well. So you've got that as well. Now there's another course that I've got. It's called aromatherapy for massage therapists, but you don't have to be a massage therapist. This teaches you how to sell your own blends, make your own products and sell them, how to price them, how to cost them out as well. So there's all of this and so much more. So this package will give you everything you need to know. Oh, yes, of course. There's the clinical aromatherapy course where you start to deal with health issues, skin problems, and so on, digestive and menstrual disorders, and so on and so forth. So you've got that as well. There are 7 courses in this package. This is the only place you can get all of these courses in one. There are hours and hours and hours of incredible stuff that you're going to learn. You've got PDF documents to download, so you'll always have all this information to check on, dilution charts, everything. So have a look at this. You've got 2 different ways you can buy, either through a subscription or you get lifetime access by buying the whole package outright. Look, I really want to see you in class, so oh, by the way, if that's not enough, you've got a 30-day money-back, risk-free guarantee. Could you ask for more? So come on, let's do this. I want to teach you all about aromatherapy. You're going to love it.